it's your girl AnJae Monea. Oh my gosh, y'all, I haven't said that in so long. I'm so happy to be here because today we're working with Shein. Like, okay. So this wig is sponsored by Shein. They sent me this 13 by 4 red unit in the inch 26. I really love this color and the hair is super soft. I've never gotten hair from Shein before, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is actually pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be sitting in front of this camera right now. Y'all have no idea. Of course, today we're working with Shein. I'm really excited about working with Shein. I feel like low-key rusty because I haven't sat in front of a camera in a really long time to do my YouTube videos. So for some reason, I don't know, I feel a little shy, a little bashful. Anyways, y'all, let's get into this wig. So this is a 13 by 4 wig. I'm pretty sure I'm going to explain this once I have it put on my head. It comes with adjustable clips on the inside of the wig, and it also has, of course, the adjustable straps in the back for security. I did go in, of course, and pluck the knots because I believe that all wigs need their knots plucked. I don't know why I did that. The hairline did come a little thick. Okay, it did come a little thick, so you're gonna need to use a little bit of your plucking skills. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm a little like, I'm not gonna say I'm nervous, but I haven't done a color this like vibrant in years. So I'm gonna turn my brightness down a little bit so you guys can kind of see. It's red, y'all, but it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. You know, see, I'm gonna eat it up, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys what to do with color wigs at the roots of the wig. So the way that you're gonna do that is you're gonna just take your foundation and you're gonna press into the wig a little bit more than normal. Typically, I don't even put makeup on the inside of my wig. I usually wait and put the makeup on top of my lace. But for the sake of the colors of the knots, because you guys can see the knots are red, so you're gonna just take your foundation starting from the back. Some people already do this. Like I said, I don't really do this. And you're gonna kind of press it in just a little bit more. And the point of pressing it in just a little bit more is because you kind of want it to cover the knots. Like you kind of want it to change from being red to whatever color is for your skin. Perfect. So I'm gonna be doing a side part on this wig. I've been so conflicted about the side of my part because this is really my side. But for some reason lately, I've been feeling this side. It's like, what are you talking about? Let's get into the melting of this lace, y'all. So this is a transparent lace that I'm working with today, and I'm going to be using my Eben Wonder lace. This is my favorite adhesive to use because it's really good with the hold, and it doesn't like lift up or anything. It doesn't go white, and it's also sensitive. I personally don't be wearing my wigs that long, so if you're a girly like me who only likes to keep the wigs on for a couple days, that's your best friend. If you're gonna wear this for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I definitely advise you guys to get some bow hold lace glue because that is probably like the best glue on the market. Using like lace spray, I definitely advise you guys to kind of like do it more so in sections, and you're also going to need to have your blow dryer at hand. So right now I'm using my finger, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of prefer that right now because I have more control, but I'm definitely not getting as much product as I usually do from one little tap. I would say to do about 3 to 4 layers of this. You want to make sure that your first layer is basically completely dry, not tacky, completely dry, and then you want to just keep going on. Your very last layer is going to be the layer that's going to be the tackiest. Okay, so the way that you check that it's tacky, you literally just like put your finger on it, and if it kind of sticks up, you're good. I'm going to position this where I need it to be on my head. Because you're placing the wig down, you're gonna need a comb to kind of like comb the adhesive through the hair like that. You're really just flattening it out. Honestly, you're just flattening out the lace. You're not really combing anything through. Oh, I guess I went back to my OG ways just then. Always want to make sure that your hairline is like the actual hairline of the wig is covering over the stocking cap. If the stocking cap is over the hairline, you're gonna have a couple of issues. So make sure, like, once you put your wig down, like, you're blow drying the wig on. Like, you don't want to do like a little cute, like, blow it dry. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to wrap this hairline up with my melt band. Y'all know my AnJae melt band, okay? It's going to do it every single time, okay? So I'm going to wrap this up with my AnJae melt band. So I want to do a side part with this wig, but this is more of a, basically, like, there are some wigs where you have mainly lace in the middle and then you have some lace on the sides, but you can't really give yourself like a super deep side part. You guys can see it's like a little inch worth of a part. I personally just use the flip over method anytime I want to do like a side part and I can't really give the energy that I want to give. I definitely feel like the side is going to be like really cute. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is using some spritz. This is brand new. I like to use it right before I hot comb anything because it just makes it so much flatter. Okay guys, so I just removed the melt band. She's looking cute or whatever. I'm liking it. So I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace. I usually start with a part right down the middle and then I just go from one side to the other with a bikini razor, which I don't have in my possession. So there's like a little bit of lifting right here from the stocking cap. That's normal. It's honestly too much lace for me anyway, so I'm gonna just cut that off. Like I said, y'all, I typically put my makeup on top anyway, so this is just gonna, I guess, correct whatever has not already gotten a little bit of love, but for the most part we're good. Y'all, this burned so freaking bad. I don't know why. So I think I want to keep this hair straight. I really like it and it's like straight form, but I do think I am gonna have to do a little bit of baby hairs on this wig. Because my baby bliss is already straight, but I want it to be like really silky, so I'm gonna come in and do some touch-ups. So I like to use the even spray to also suit my edges. It really just lasts as long and it kind of gives it like a hard mold. This is what it's giving right now. I decided to do a no part type of look just because we don't have a lot of parting space with this specific wig, and I'm gonna come back once I have my makeup on and look all super duper cute and glammed up so you guys can see the full transformation. So okay guys, so this is the finished look. I know I look a little different because I beat my face or whatever, But yeah, this is the finished look. This is what it's giving. You know, I told you guys I was gonna do like the no part, light baby hair type of situation, and I really like it on me. I think it eats down. This was nice and easy to install, and the hair color is really pretty. So if you're in your red hair season, this is the perfect wig for you. So click the link in the description below to get you a wig from Shein. Okay, it's super affordable, by the way. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and listen to me. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, because I am going to be coming with another video soon. Subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at AnJae. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok at AnJae. I'm literally at AnJae everywhere, besides my hair page, which is at shopanjaemonea. So there's no other me. So if you guys see any fake pages out there, y'all, please don't even bother messaging me about that, because I had this fake page recently and I'm like, come on y'all, this is clearly not my page. Okay, anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.